Okay, we're in Zhuhai, HUAFA shopping mall, and it's between Christmas and New Year's Eve, December 29 to be exact. And we're just gonna walk around, check out the crowds. I'm gonna do a little shopping over here at H&M, which is no longer in Macau, but they got it here. And yeah, so we got some fake snow, a snowblower over there, and we're gonna walk around the mall and check it all out. Show you what's here in Zhuhai at HUAFA. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so you got some ice skaters down there. It's Zhuhai is no snow basically. So that's man-made snow. And there was a snowblower over there a little bit as well. So we're just gonna walk around, see what's in the mall. Looks like we got some Vietnamese cuisine here. And I have been in here before where it was super crowded and there was people all lined up in these chairs, but that's not tonight. See, so we're just going to kind of stroll around. One thing you're going to see right away is that this is kind of an indoor-outdoor mall. So you can actually see some buildings over that way. And so we have the weather that's outside as well. Let's kind of come down this way. I think we have some of that indoor-outdoor. You can see some other buildings in the background if you can see through the darkness. But yeah, people who have apartments around here would be able to look inside and see people walking around, which is pretty cool. So you can see those apartments over there in the darkness. You can see some balconies of apartments and such. It's actually really kind of cool. It's cool that they have apartments like right there. And then you can also see on this side too. We're gonna walk over on this side. So this one overlooks quite a bit. There's a parking lot over there, a restaurant here. Genki Sushi, that's one of my favorite sushi places. They got that in Hong Kong. I think there's a waiting list for it though. Wouldn't mind waiting for that. Get some unagi sushi, some eel. Okay. And you also have these futuristic lights as well. So I'm just kind of giving you a little taste of it. I'll probably come some other time, try to film it in the daytime I think, but it's good to film it at night too. Let's come back over this way. Now you can see, oh it looks. So yeah, that's basically the mall setup. There's 3 stories. There's also like an underground as well. So I saw some things down that way as well. And it stretches, I think that down there would be the exit to that particular one. But then over on this side, it connects to another building. And it probably like doubles this right here. So, okay. HUAFA Mall, Zhuhai, China. Pretty cool mall. So we'll give you a little bit of a view from ground floor. So you can see the ceilings a little bit better. Lots of restaurants. That's one of the great things about these malls. There's just filled with restaurants everywhere. So the second floor has tons of restaurants. And the first floor they have some too. Nice lighting as well. Yeah, we could walk all the way down. Might do that, maybe. Yeah, then you can see how this goes right outside, because when you're in this part of China, it's nice to be outdoors. So that actually goes out. There's another spot, I don't know if we can see it or not. There's a coffee shop there, Pacific Coffee. There's another spot that has a light show at nighttime. Then it looks like that over there has more shops downstairs. There's a Starbucks. Well, anyways, you get the idea. We were just could actually walk through the mall as well. We're definitely outside. We didn't go through any doors. And then if we wanted to, of course, we could go all the way through to the other side as well, which I think I'll do. Just kind of give you the style of it. So yeah, now we're indoors in the mall. Then this just goes outside. There looks like there is a gate here, so maybe at nighttime they pull a gate across, but wouldn't people jump over the gate if they wanted to? I don't know. And then over here you can see all these apartments. So there's a gate on the other side of this, and there's a road, there's some motorbikes going by, and you can see all the apartments right here. So they're right next door. There might be a gate right there. Yeah, there is, so people that live there can just run across to the mall real quick. Pretty cool. So yeah. Let's head back on in. No shortage of cool stuff in HUAFA Mall in Zhuhai. Kind of want to go to that Genki sushi restaurant. Got a Thai restaurant right here in the corner. Hitomi? Japanese makeup, I guess. So, okay. There's some cool dude over there in the sunglasses in the display case. And if we go all the way out, no, actually I think this is the outdoor part, and then if we go straight into that one across the way over there, that one would be an indoor one. So we have a little bit of both. And then if we walk out, I'll see there's the skating rink that we were able to film earlier from up above. And then if we go outside, which is what we're going to do in a moment, this will go out to, I have filmed it before, and there's a giant water thing over here somewhere. Where'd that go? There's Starbucks straight ahead. Oh, I think it's further down. So we have to walk down that way. So that's where we just came out of. So we just came out of that space there. We can kind of see the way that it looks. And we are going to go towards that music, because that's where the show is at. We haven't quite got to the show yet, but I just thought I'd highlight this. I'm going to try not to film too much at nighttime because camera movement doesn't show up very well at night. But there's a show over there and you can hear the singing. Just to give you a little context. There's our Starbucks over there. There's taxis over there. Okay. So let's go check that out and see what the show's all about. This is the one I've seen in the past. I personally have seen it, and I've also seen YouTubers who film this because they'll have some light shows, water spraying out with lights on it and all that such. But it looks like tonight they have this a different event instead. So let's get a little bit closer. So let's go back in and try to see where we can get in. But I think over here is the air conditioning part, which we don't need because it's January. It's actually, the weather is like perfect. For me, you can see I don't have my jackets on, but for other people here, it's kind of cold because they're used to it being quite hot and humid here. Okay, so we're gonna walk right into this one, and this is the covered one. So the other one was more outdoor without the doors, and this one does have the doors. So you get to see the full range of this HUAFA Mall in Zhuhai, China. So yeah, a little bit of a different, feels more controlled environment. So yeah, it is pretty nice. Very nice. Okay, well, that one is in Macau. Some of these ones I see in Macau and some of them I don't. H&M closed and left Macau, but they're in Zhuhai, so you have to go to H&M. So I can get it here, but not in Macau anymore. Closed because of COVID. They weren't letting people into Macau, hardly. Anyways, okay, so now we're gonna slowly move into the other one that we were at. That's the H&M right there as well. Then I think I will probably end this one pretty soon, I think. But yeah, this is a HUAFA shopping mall. Yeah, actually the colors in here are nicer because of that ceiling. It's beautiful. Well, I think I'm gonna go up to Genki Sushi. Okay. When I started the video, they had the snowblower. Oh, they have it on both sides. So it's going on that side and that side. So I didn't see the one on the other side. So all the kids that are skating, they got snow coming down. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna head over to Genki Sushi, and I'm gonna be closing this video down. But I think you got a good tour of what HUAFA shopping mall looks like in Zhuhai, China. Right across from Macau. We're not even maybe 3, 4, 5 kilometers away from Macau, I'd say. A little hard to get here as a foreigner because you have to go through the visa process, the passport, immigration. But if you're mainland Chinese, you just go right across. I guess you need a visa for Macau though, for on that side. I'm gonna try to go into here. Too desirable not to. So I'm in a waiting list. So when they have A4, which is pretty soon, I'll be able to go in. I just saw something kind of cool on the other side. That over there, there's a big place to sit outside. It's all called the Kung Fu Froggy. Kind of a cool name. I gotta watch my number. So yeah. HUAFA Mall. Kung Fu Froggy. Okay, so we got lots of restaurants and all kinds of cool stuff up here. And with that note, we are going to shut it down. So hope you liked Zhuhai. You like that? 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.